Hello, everybody, and welcome to 1 Minute English Challenge. And today we are going to look at the articles. So there will be fill in the blanks, and you will have to fill in the blanks using the articles. And of course, there might be a few tricky questions where not one of the articles will apply. So here are your questions, and I'm going to now start your countdown timer. You have a minute. Go ahead, do it, and I shall tell you or reveal the answers, share the answers with you in the next 50 seconds. All right, so your time is up, and here are the answers. Please be honest in your correction, and of course, as usual, let me know about the score in your comment. Leave your score in the comment along with your feedback. Hope you enjoyed this second episode of our 1 minute challenge. We will meet again in the next challenge. Take care.